Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking bicycle for kids in this video? I will show you the top 3 best bicycle for kids to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Girl BMX Fixie Speed Mountain Bike. Specifications. Brand name, Owing. Load capacity, 150 kilograms. Braking system, double disc brake. Stature, 120 to 165 centimeters. Volume, 0.1 cubic meters. Length, m. 1.4. Rim material, magnesium alloy. Frame material, magnesium alloy. Type, mountain bike. The item number 2 is 20-inch adult folding bicycles. Specifications. Load capacity, 110 kilograms. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 20 inches. Stature, 120 to 180 centimeters. Length, m. 1.55 meters. Net weight, 17.5 kilograms. Rim material, aluminum alloy. Frame material, aluminum alloy. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Children Mountain Bike. Specifications. Load capacity, 85 kilograms. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 20 inches. Stature, 120 to 165 centimeters. Net weight, 13 kilograms. Rim material, steel. Frame material, steel. Material, steel pipe. Size, 20 inch, 22 inch.